guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and if you're new here, welcome. For today's video, I'm so excited because we're going to be doing some DIY at-home brow tinting, and I used this just for men. I've seen this go around all over TikTok, and I did watch a few YouTube videos on how to do it, and honestly, as you can see, my eyebrows look really good. So I think I ended up doing a very good job for it being my first time ever. I did film the entire experience so you can kind of experience it with me and laugh along the way because it was really funny. I even thought I didn't record it and kind of freaked out in the middle there, but I actually really do like it. There's not one single brow product on my eyebrows. I did this, took it off, threw some makeup on, and jumped on camera so you guys could see the end result. And I'm very happy with it. So if you're interested to see how it works and how to achieve this brow tinting at home, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm definitely a little bit nervous because I just don't know how this is gonna go, but I saw this TikTok of brow tinting, and then I started going on YouTube and I found a bunch of videos, so I think I got like the hang of it, and we're gonna see if it works out. So I have this one right here. I picked a shade medium brown because I don't want them to be too dark. My eyebrows are already dark as is, so I didn't want them to be too dark. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, see how it is, see how it goes. It brings gloves, which I'm pretty sure I am gonna end up using. And then here we go. We have the color base and then the color developer, and this is what this looks like. Obviously, we don't have a beard to dye. We're gonna do our eyebrows, and I'm gonna use this little tray and dump the product here to kind of do our mixture. Now I do have Vaseline here, and I'm going to be lining my brows with Vaseline just so we don't get any dye close to it. My eyebrows are already done, so we don't have to worry about much there. And yeah, let's see how this turns out. If it turns out good, we're gonna end up seeing it, and if it doesn't, this video is never gonna go up and I'll disappear for 3 weeks. So hopefully it does work. As you can see, my face is completely bare. I haven't done my makeup, I haven't done anything, took off all my eyelash extensions, but that's a whole nother story. So I'm gonna grab my mirror and I'm gonna start lining kind of my brows with Vaseline, just so we don't get any of that dye anywhere around it, because that wouldn't be good. I'm kind of scared, but if this works, it would be so amazing. I feel like this is gonna last a while too. Like, I'll probably get a lot of uses out of this. I don't even know how much to use, but we shall see. Okay, so here's our little mixture, and I'm gonna grab the, oh, I didn't put my gloves on. Definitely wanna do that. All right, I'm gonna grab the back of this brush and mix it. Make sure it's really mixed and thick and everything. I feel like a scientist. Okay, now that it's nice and mixed, here I go. Ah! Oh my gosh. I'm so scared. I'm using a tiny little angled brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go in. I'm gonna apply it to my actual eyebrow first, and then I'm gonna kind of perfect it. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bit off because I feel like I applied maybe a little too much. And then I'm gonna wait a couple of minutes. When this starts kind of getting dark, I'll put just a little bit in the front. I just don't want to do that right away because I don't want it to look like block eyebrows. Okay, let's start the other. This is definitely my struggle eyebrow too, by the way. I struggle a lot more with making this eyebrow look good. Okay, I'm gonna take these gloves off and I'm gonna set a timer. In total, I think I wanna do it for 15 minutes, and then when we're down 10 minutes, then I'm gonna do the front for 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and do that. And I feel like I should probably take this one off just a bit sooner since we did this one before we did that one. I'm kind of nervous, kind of scared, kind of excited, kind of, I don't know, a lot of emotions and feelings right now. I feel like it definitely definitely messed up a little bit here because I did drag it a little bit too much, and I could see it getting a little darker already. I feel like now I gotta do the same on the other side. To leave it alone, part of me wants to keep adding dye to this side. Okay, I'm gonna put it down for sure. That's it. I'll see you guys in 7 minutes when there's 5 minutes left. Maybe I can do the TikTok now. Ooh. Ooh. It's getting darker. It's getting darker. This is so weird. But why isn't this part getting darker? You see what I mean? That's what's pissing me off. I just want you guys to know, if you are watching this video, it's because it worked out. Because if it looks crazy, this video will never see the light of day. Ever. Ever, 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 ever. Where's my timer? Where's my timer? Oh no, I said 5 minutes, not 10. When there's 5 minutes left, we're doing the front. For 1 second I thought I said 10, and there's 8 minutes left, and I got really scared. Okay, we're good.
Maybe it really just all comes out on this specific video. How weird I am.
It's getting really dark too, like, ooh, I'm gonna fix that a little bit. Oh no. I'm telling you, this is my struggle, bro. 1 minute left, and then we do the front. Okay, it's gonna be good. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. This is good. Oh! Done. Let's do the front. That's it. I'm not touching it anymore. Whatever happens, happens. So, okay, quick update. I just added a little bit to the front, and I'm really scared. We have 5 minutes left. Oh my god, I got it on my skin. No. No. How did I do? Oh, because I got it on my finger. No. Should have kept the gloves on, stupid. I know how it happened. I got a little bit on the brush, and as I was grabbing it, that's definitely what happened. I went to wash my hands. The dye is gonna stay for a few days, I'm sure, and I went ahead and I grabbed the Garnier Micellar water and then these little cotton pads, and we are all ready to take this off and see the results. So let's see how long we have left. 1 minute and 26 seconds. You guys don't even know the panic I just went through because I thought nothing was recorded, but it was. So, okay, now it's been longer because I thought I didn't record. Whatever. Anyway, let's reveal what's going on here. So here's my micellar water. Here's my cotton pad. I'm gonna soak it. The way this is looking. I'm so pleasantly surprised. I'm so hyped up. Let's do one more cotton wipe. Okay, I think nothing else is gonna come off of this one. You know, this one could have been a little better, but for our first time, I am not mad at all. Like, I'll just fill this in, but instead of filling my whole eyebrow, I'll just fill a little tail. Let me put makeup on, let me do everything, and then we're gonna do a final like update. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy. Okay guys, I'm back. I put some makeup on and this is the final result. I didn't have to use any kind of brow product and honestly, I'm so beyond obsessed with it. I think it looks so good, especially for being my first time ever. Of course, it's not entirely perfect. Like, I did miss a few spots here. I feel like I could have added a little more here. This brow though, I think it looks amazing. But I am so happy with the results and I'm definitely gonna be doing this more. I think I am done with brow products and I'll just stick to doing this. I'm not sure how long it would last. I've seen some people say it lasts 2 weeks. I've seen some people say it lasts up to 3 weeks. So I'm very excited to see exactly how long it lasts, but I am very happy with it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit that little bell so you never miss any of my videos. And as always, please leave me some suggestions on videos you would like to see in the future, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! I did this and I didn't record anything. No! Again, TikTok has taken over my life. But oh, my camera fell. You saw those reflexes though? Them reflexes. Please